In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he sees. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The poetry of the earth is never dead. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. The earth has music for those who listen. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain.